Wait. Hey, okay, welcome to my channel. This is Mr. Alphon. I will share to you about injured a maritime accident, protect your right, and get the maximum compensation with Houston Maritime Attorney. What is it? What Houston Maritime Attorney? Mm, mhm. Okay. A pet Houston Maritime injury lawyer serving surrounding areas of Texas. At Patrick General Law, our Houston Maritime lawyers are well equipped to handle difficult maritime injury cases that other Houston Maritime law firms find too complex. Houston Maritime injury law, also known as Admiralty law, has a lot of quirks and inconsistency. It takes an experienced maritime injury attorney to be able to see these inconsistencies and will refine them every case that make it to our Houston law office. Houston maritime workers are at the disadvantage in some maritime cases. In other maritime injury cases, they have some advantage in the favor, but only a skilled Houston maritime attorney will be able to figure it all out. So whether you're in the Houston, Harris County, Pasadena, Britannia, or the outlying suburbs, if you've been injured at sea and are in need of a Houston Maritime injury attorney, Patrick Daniel Lau is here to help. Contact our Houston Maritime lawyers for a free consultation. Patrick Daniel is an icon among Houston Maritime attorneys, gaining the distinction through 20 years of maritime law in Austin, Texas, and around the Gulf Coast. Patrick Daniel has argued maritime injury cases from both sides and has extensive experience not only in the way Houston maritime law cases proceed, but also in the work that goes on at sea by employees of hundreds of Houston maritime companies. Here is a short list of the types of Houston maritime injury cases he has handled in both Texas and everywhere elsewhere: jet up, rig accidents, deck accidents, tugboat accidents, oil platform accidents, bark accidents, commercial fishing accidents, cargo ship accident, shipyard accident. If you sustain a maritime injury in Houston similar to the above and would like a free consultation with our Houston maritime lawyers, or to find out more about our Houston maritime law series, please call 713-999-6666 or contact us online. Houston maritime law is much more than oil and aerospace. A recent study showed that Houston, TX, is the number two city in the country for jobs connected to maritime through the moving of cargo between U.S. ports. Only nearby New Orleans has more workers in the maritime industry. When you add up the workers from all Texas ports, it puts Texas as the number three state in the U.S. in cargo transportation between American ports. The ports of Houston, including over 200 private and public terminals handling over 8,020 and 200 seagoing vessels and 215,000 barges every year. Thousands of maritime employees call the Houston area home. It should come as no surprise then that there are in a multitude of maritime injury cases in Houston. Maritime workers who are injured at sea do not have many of the recourse that land-based workers do, and often have to hire maritime injury lawyers in Houston to protect their right and help them recover losses they stem from their maritime injury. Houston maritime lawyers are plentiful, and they know admiralty law, maritime law inside out. But experience is key. As an elite maritime injury lawyer from their attack, Patrick Daniel has litigated hundreds of maritime injury cases and has substantial recoveries for his client. But this process requires more than a successful courtroom attorney. Maritime work is grueling, unforgiving, and raw, and any Houston, Texas lawyer who aspires to represent maritime workers had better know the work as well, the work as well as he know the law. That was sets Patrick Daniel Law ahead of other law firms in Houston, Texas. He knows the work. He grew in Louisiana and has 20 years experience in litigating maritime cases, some of it from the other side of the courtroom. Working at sea is a different world out there. There are literally hundreds of maritime companies in Houston, and even though they claim to appreciate the employees and the sacrifice they make, you're only one fall on a slavery deck or one tumbling pallet of cargo in heavy seas from discovering how much or how little they truly do care. If you're injured at sea, don't assume your employer will compensate you fairly and make sure your medical bills are covered. Any other of a house of Houston maritime lawyers will quickly point the ball game changed drastically when an injury occurred. Not only that, but the rules are different from maritime employees and land-based employees. Defendant in a maritime law case trying to hide behind the nuance of maritime laws, hoping the injured party is not up to speed on them. For instance, workman company doesn't apply to injuries suffered while at sea, but thanks to Federal Jones Act, maritime workers have the ability to sue their employees for compensation and employers are held accountable to provide reasonable safe working conditions to maintain their vessel so that they are safe at seaworthy. Thank you.